I'll never forget something you said to me in practice. You said, listen, practice how you play. So that when you play, it feels like a practice.
Yeah. I still have the same president now. We are very tough on these kids, but it comes from a place of love. We know that the level is very high. And I'm telling you, there is some good rugby clubs out there. There's some good rugby academies and stuff like that. So we don't want to fall short. I want to coach development. I want to be the one that says, myself and Dylan, we invested in these kids from scratch. We don't want to take other people's players. We don't want to poach players. We don't want players that are fully developed in their rugby careers. We want people that come to learn. And then with them learning, have good relationships with the parents, because at the end of the day, the parents have the final say. What happens, where their kids play in the future, what happens to these kids, which universities they are going to. We can only facilitate them. We can only prepare them. We had 2 girls play varsity cup this year. Like that's our first Amazonians that actually went to university, and one of them actually captained the Boland under 18 team last year. So we're trying to make it a universal thing. It's not just about our kids, it's about kids that want to come into our structure and learn and get the development that they need.